Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Spigen Case Lineup for your iPhone SE 2020. Now all of these cases you can get from Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The prices range from 10 to 18 bucks. So every case that you see in this video is under $20. Now shout out to Spigen for sponsoring this video. I've been rocking with them for years and I appreciate them for rocking with me. Let's get right into it. Now, when I test wireless charging, I'm going to be using the Spigen Steady Boost wireless charger. I'll leave the link for this up in the description also. It's 35 bucks. Now, you can use this laying flat or as a stand. So it's a 2-in-1 wireless charger. Okay, so let's start with the thin fit. Now, this one is going to run you 10 bucks. Here we go. Now, this one is basically just a polycarbonate shell. Little Spigen branding on the back. The top and the bottom are wide open. Okay? And of course, ladies and gentlemen, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white.
calm down. All right, here we go. Thin fit. Now, once you slap this one on, you got your cutouts. And as I said, the top and the bottom are wide open. Let's check wireless charging. Okay, there's your wireless charge. Now, this case is not Slamboy certified because there's no razivity. But this is a case for people that want the thin fit, no extra weight, and a nice feel to it. Matte black on the back, no fingerprints. Spigen thin fit, 10 bucks. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the liquid air. Now, this one is going to run you 11 bucks. Flick of the wrist. Here we go. Now this one is just a TPU style case. Little textured pattern on the back. Spigen branding. You got your web pattern on the inside for shock absorption. There's your cutouts. Buttons. Cutouts. Okay, so we'll slap this one on. Now this one actually has a lot more razivity. So it's Slamboy certified. Let's check the button. Okay, no problems with that. And let's check wireless charge. There it is. 11 bucks on this one. Your phone is fully protected. This is the liquid air. Y'all see that pattern on the back? This is a case that you can rock every day. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Ultra Hybrid 2. Now this one is going to run you 13 bucks. Comes in a bunch of different colors. I'll show y'all a few. Okay, here we go. Now this one has some stickers on it. So let me grab a little knife and peel these off. All right, here we go. And we got one more. Now check this out. This is a hard shell TPU style case, transparent, full protection. Okay, there's your buttons, cutouts. Buttons and cutouts. We'll slap this one on. Check out that nice juicy razivity. Slamboy certified. Let's hit the power button. No problems with that. And wireless charge. There it is. Ultra Hybrid 2. Now, one of the things I love about this case, since it's fully transparent, if you got a picture or a business card, put it right on the back of your phone, just like this. Put the case on, and rock it like this. All right, so have your favorite business card, your driver's license, picture of your wife, your kids, whatever you want. This is real nice. Now let me show y'all two more colors. All right, so here's the Ultra Hybrid 2 in black. So you got the same transparent back, but now you got a TPU bumper. So the difference between this and the transparent version is it's never going to turn yellow, because any case that turns yellow, it turns yellow on the corners if you wear it too much. So this one is never going to turn. Slap this one right on. Same thing, throw your business card in the back. Fully protected. There's your power button. Wireless charge. And still showcase that beautiful red color. I got one more. All right, check this out. Now, if you went with the product red iPhone, then why not get the red Ultra Hybrid 2? Oh, I'm feeling this one right here. Let's slap it on. Check this out. Red on red. Beautiful. All right, Ultra Hybrid 2, 13 bucks. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Neo Hybrid Herringbone. Now, this one is going to run you 16 bucks. Comes in a few different colors. Now, if y'all watch my channel, you know this is one of my favorite Spigen cases, but I think this year, this might be my favorite, and I'll show you why in a second. Okay, so here we go. On the back, you got that herringbone pattern. All right, so you got TPU, hard shell, bumper, 2-part style case. On the inside, got your shock absorbing pattern, buttons, cutouts, buttons and cutouts. Slap this one on. Now, like I said, it's a 2-part style case, but you don't have to take it apart. Adds a little bit of extra weight, but look at that razivity. This is maximum protection, 100% Slam Boy certified. Let's hit that button. There it is. Wireless charge. No problems. All the cutouts line up. Official tissue. Now look how deep that camera is in there. It's never going to get scratched. I love this case. It just looks so classy. And I love that herringbone pattern on the back. Now let me show you why I say this one might be my favorite this year. Check this out. It also comes in red. So again, if you got the product red iPhone, why not go with the red on red theme? This one actually has the glossy red to it. My favorite kind. Slap this one on. Matter of fact, let me show you something real quick. All right, so just for fun, if you wanted to see what it looks like in 2 parts, fully TPU and the hard shell bumper. So you just slap it right back in. Slap the iPhone in. And check it out. This one has so much razivity, it's crazy. But that glossy red on the back, oh, this one is sick. I am feeling this. All right, so Neo Hybrid Herringbone, 16 bucks. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Tough Armor. Now, this one is going to run you 16 bucks. Comes in a few different colors. This is my favorite case from Spigen. If y'all watch my channel, any new phone that I get, this is mandatory for me. This case is maximum protection. Now, on the inside, got your ear cushion technology. That's for shock absorption. 2-part style case. Again, full TPU, plastic hard shell. This one actually has a kickstand. And you got a cutout for your Apple logo. There's your button, power, plus and minus, volume up and down. Look at the corners. All right, so we'll slap this one in. This one has the most razivity. This is the heaviest one, but you're getting the most protection. Cutout lines up perfectly. Look how deep that camera's in there. Slam Boy certified. Check the buttons. No problems. And you got wireless charge. Now, the reason this is my favorite case is once you put this on your phone, it gives your phone a more heavyweight feel to it. Now, I like my phones to have that rugged feel, and this one has that. Let's check the kickstand. Okay, just like that. So if you're watching the video, this is how it's going to look. Now, one of the things I like about this kickstand, you see how it's flapping around? Once you lock it in place, no flappage. Spigen Tough Armor, this is a mandatory case for me. Let's keep it moving. All right, so last up, we got the Slim Armor CS. Now, this one is going to run you 18 bucks. Comes in a bunch of different colors, and the CS stands for card slot. Now, you can actually fit 2 credit cards in here, or a driver's license and a business card. Do whatever you want. Here we go. Now, this one is basically the same as the Tough Armor, with a level of protection, but now you have your CS, your card slot. On the inside, web pattern for shock absorption. There's your buttons, cutouts, buttons and cutouts. 2-part style case, TPU, with the hard shell back. All right, so we'll slap this one on. Nice reactivity on deck. Slam Boy certified. Let's check wireless charging. Still works. Let's hit the buttons. No problems. And there's your card slot. Now, just for demonstration purposes, say this is my credit card. Slap that right in there and keep it moving. This is perfect for if you're going out and you don't feel like bringing your wallet, or you're going to the gym, or you're going bike riding and you got on sweatpants or spandex. Throw your driver's license right in there. Throw your credit card. Matter of fact, let's slap a business card in here too. There's two right on deck. Now, let's see. Can we charge through the cards? There it is. Now, don't ever charge it with your credit card in there, but if you got your driver's license and a business card, you can still use your wireless charging. Slim Armor CS. This one is going to run you $18. Let's keep it moving. All right, so this is the Spigen Case Lineup for your iPhone SE 2020. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah. One more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Captain, Enterprise out.
Energize.